Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I need to make a card for my husband. It's our wedding anniversary on Friday and I just went to my secret stash to grab the anniversary card that I thought I'd made, only to discover that I hadn't actually got round to making it. So I've delved into my stash, I have grabbed out Puppy Love, and I'm just going to have to make a quick one for this year. And these kits literally can save you if you discover you're in the same position as I am. So I thought, let's bring you along with me and show you how quick and easy it is to make a card using these Hunkydory kits. Now this one was a members free gift. I think it was last year. And I couldn't resist it. I had to have it. So I'm just going to choose some cardstock to use on my card. I actually quite like that one, so we're going to go with that piece of cardstock. We're going to cut it down. I want to make this a 6-inch card, so let's just cut this down to 6 inches. There we go. Pretty. I think I might have those along the bottom instead of the top. I feel like they go at the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to bring in my scoreboard and I am going to score at 6 inches and I'm going to score at 3 inches. Okay, let's put that down. So the 6-inch score line is going to go over like that. Just burnish it like that, and then the other score line I'm going to fold back on itself. There we go, and you've got just the start of a Z fold really. And then I need to choose the toppers, which is kind of a no-brainer because we do have Spaniel. So I kind of like that one. We also have a lab. I've already used the golden lab and sent that out, but that's a cute little pup. Kind of looks like a spaniel or a lab. I don't think there's 2 spaniels. No, so, oh, that's quite cute. Okay, let's use that one as well. And I need a sentiment, and on one of these, there you go, happy anniversary. So we're going to have that sentiment there. Just pull that off. So this will work with any kit you've got or any paper collection you've got. You don't have to use what I'm using. I just thought it was good inspiration for if you needed a quick card. I think we'll have that as well. It's an anniversary. Let's be a bit cheesy. You've left paw prints on my heart. So we've got 3 sentiments. Okay. So I definitely want the spaniel one off of here. That can probably go there, to be honest. And then this cute little one I'm going to try and put here. Just pop these off. I love how easily these come off. You can just like run your thumb round and they just pop off, which is brilliant, especially when you're in a hurry, because he's not currently here, but it's getting to the time when he's going to come home and it would be a bit of a nightmare if he walked in on me making his anniversary card. Okay, that is really cute. I like that. let's move that. So I have got double-sided tape, which I probably am not going to use now, or maybe I am, and I have various different Hunkydory foam pads that I did buy. I've bought these with my own money, so I don't mind using those. So let's have a think. Let's pop this outside frame up. So I'm removing the inside frame and the image, and I'm trying to keep those intact. There we go. And what you can do, if it bothers you that sometimes you've got like little indents, you can go around with scissors and just like trim those off. So I think this part is going to go up on foam strips. So I'm thinking it needs to be these thinner ones. So I'm going to take this one here, which is nice and thin. Excuse me, you can hear my puppy barking there. I don't know what his problem is. I have to go and see if he doesn't shut up. So this is going to go here. So I want foam here. And then I'm just going to twist it round there. There you go, that sits up quite nicely. And I'm just going to put a little bit down here. So I'm just going to cut into this one a little bit and take that bit off. Okay, and then that can go just there. So that's going to sit up nicely on the front. Let's take the release paper off of there. Okay. Kind of covering most of that one. There we go. And then this one, I think I'm just going to leave it all intact like that. I'm going to put tape just down one side. It's kind of down the middle and then off to the side. Okay, let's see which side. This side. Okay. And then this one, I think we're going to get rid of the inside frame completely. So let's remove the outside frame. It's going to go there, and then let's get rid of this outside frame. Don't want that one. So we're going to put this one up on the foam. So let's get this lined up. So that's going to go there and it's going to be flat. So this one is going to come about here. Okay. And this one I'm not going to lay this one flat. I'm going to put this one up on these slightly larger foam pads. And I'm going to cut this foam pad in half. That one there. That one there. There we go. Okay, so now all we need to do is position this one. Okay, that's super cute. Now I just need to add my sentiments. So, I think that one can go right there. And then this one can go up here. And this one can go on the, oh, I can't see there, on the front just there. So I'm going to grab the foam. I'm going to use that. So on this one, I'm just going to cut this pad here down because it only needs to go part way across the sentiment. It's probably still too much, to be fair. Just needs to go there really. Just trim that bit off, that can go on the other little sentiment. Can go on that one. Peel that one off. So this one's going here, like that. This one is going up here. And then this one's just going to go along the bottom. That's probably okay. Okay. Take the backing paper off. And there we go. Got a really nice, really beautiful anniversary card. You could not buy that in the shops. It's got lots of thought behind it, albeit I had to do it a bit last minute because I discovered I hadn't made what I thought I had, and I've used up some of my stash. How cute is that? So that is a really quick and easy card using a Hunkydory kit, and you can see how quickly you can get yourself out of trouble just by using one of these kits, and how little supplies I had to use, because I literally just used the elements from the kit, some foam pads and some double-sided tape, and I've got an absolutely beautiful card that I'm sure my husband's going to love, and you could not buy one of these in the shops. So thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone who does come and watch these videos. Let me know what you think of the card in the comment section below, because I'd absolutely love to know, and if you're going to give it a go, let me know. I'm really sorry if anything went out of shot at any point and for the state of my hands. And I'm going to leave the Hunkydory website linked in the description box of this video. If you join the Hunkydory Members Club, you'll be able to get the members free gifts once a quarter when they come out. As I said, this one is an old one, so you can't get this one anymore. But the kits are absolutely beautiful, and you only have to pay postage. I've been getting them for years, and oh my goodness, they are just the best value for money. Postage is like £3 or £4, so it's really not expensive for how much you get and the cards you can create. I'm away now to write this card and put it in an envelope before he comes in and catches me. So thank you so much for watching. Take really good care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.